See, one hit.
There you go.
They come right off.
Damn, that was like 10 hits away with the small hammer.
There was a trail here. There's like a path that goes up.
Yeah, I've ridden it about 1,000 times.
I've never once gone up there. I never knew it existed.
Welcome back to another video. Today's a video I've been planning on making for a while. I knew it was coming. I just hadn't anticipated the circumstances between then and now. So, needed a brake job. Not that surprising. I've had the car for 4 years. I put 81,500 kilometers, give or take 200. Before doing my first brake job. They were making noise. I had broken a clip on the back of a pad. Obviously not good. I obviously ran them too long. I was planning on doing it in the spring, but then COVID happened, and it was, you know, emergency only and this and that. And obviously I've been unemployed for a while, so cars expensive, parts are expensive, more expensive than just, you know, whatever normal cars. So, and I don't want to just buy knockoff, no name, whatever, because then the car's not going to stop and perform like I've been used to it doing for the last 4 years. So, OCD, Tarot Card Detailing, aka Sinister 6.2 on social media, he has been upgrading his car for a while. He put 6-piston brakes on the front and did a whole bunch of stuff. So he kindly handed me all of his leftover brake parts. So I got almost brand new rotors. They look brand new with pads and everything else to go along with it. So I'm in really, really good shape. As well as I've ordered an extra set of pads. I'll have pads on standby because they were on sale. And obviously getting a deal is pretty important, especially when you're unemployed. So I thought I'd give you guys a look at what a rotor looks like with 50,000 miles or 80,000 kilometers. This is a pretty normal quarter. As you can tell, there's been a massive amount of wear. I was hoping to just do pads, swap them out, but once we got into it, it was pretty clear that there was far too much wear on these. And I don't even think I can get these machined to keep them as a backup. They're looking a whole lot like scrap metal to me, which is okay because we've got rotors on the car and I will make plans for the future. Hopefully I'll have a new car with another new set of brakes and I won't have to do this again. My brother Dill did do the work, which was quite the hand. I did come back today to film it because yesterday it was raining and pretty awful and I was holding the umbrella and he was half soaked laying under my car. We did almost lose the car off the jack. It was a good day because we didn't. Right?
Pretty solid. When
the car goes back in one piece, the brakes feel like $1 million. That's about as good a day as you're gonna get.
Pretty much.
So, yeah, anybody out there that's, and myself included, that thought Brembo was just selling out, Brembo warranties these brakes for 20,000 kilometers of daily use with no track, no towing, and no extreme conditions. And I got 81,000. So, wow. Good job, Brembo, and thank you for making such a good product.